Good day, everyone. My name is Abdul Mujib, and I'm your host for today Pixellab class. So we have discussed about um, the aspect of text in Pixellab. Today we want to go into the aspect of shape and images. How do we import shape? How do we import images and all those likes in Pixellab? If you do not understand text, you can go back to our last video in this channel and look for the interface of Pixellab part 1. That is, we are going to talk about text then. So let's talk about shape. If you need this type of Pixellab, you can join my Telegram group to get the type of Pixellab I'm using. This class will not be more than 20 minutes or 10 minutes. So let's start now. The first thing we have discussed about the text. I don't want to go back again. So I don't want to go back. We have discussed about the text aspect. Yeah. So we want to discuss about the shape aspect. The second place here. This place we want to talk about it now. So let's go into it. So click on it. When we click on it, this is the first thing we are going to see. The first thing we have the sticker, import, draw, shape, bezier, and arrow. Assuming we want to import sticker, I want to use sticker here. You just click on this sticker and select the type of sticker that you want. I want this. Let me take this sticker here. I want this sticker. This is it. This is how to import sticker. So I will work on sticker. This aspect is a long aspect because we have different type of things. You have the sticker, import, draw, shape, bezier, and arrow. So I work on each and every one of it, one after the other. So the delete, we know what delete means if you want to delete it. So that is delete. The crop, we know how to crop. If you want to crop it, like you want to remove some part of it. For example, now I don't want this place to show. This place. Let me put this here. I don't want this place to show. I don't want this place to show. I can copy it. I don't want it to show here. I want to start from here. I can copy it. Are you getting it? So let me copy it now. I will click on copy. Then I will click on this. Here. Here. And click on this sign here. I click on this sign here then. And I click on it. Give me this. I've cleaned what I want to clean. So that is it. So let's put it like this. So copy. If I want to copy it, I can copy it again. I can copy it. I can copy it. This is it. So I don't want to copy. I'm still going to be using my first one. I can be deleting it. Okay. So to front, I think we know the meaning of to front, to back. We have talked about it before. Position, we have talked about the position before, and relative position. We have talked about it when we are talking about the text. It's the same thing. There's nothing different there. I don't want to waste our time. It's the same thing. Now, when we go to relative size, if you want to click on the relative size, this is the relative size here. If you click on the relative size, the first thing you notice that when you look at this relative size, we have what we call maintain ratio. You have it here. Maintain ratio, you have enable. If I say that I want to enable the ratio, if I'm adjusting here, I'm adjusting everything. That is automatically this width and height is changing at the same times. Now when I click on plus, it is affecting this too because I've made the ratio at the aspect size. Assuming I like change it, I don't want it like that, I want it like this. If I click on this, if I'm changing here, this place will not be affected. If I'm changing here, this place will not be affected. Are you getting it? That's how to do that. So color also, I can give it my preferred color. If I click on color, I can give it any color that I want. Do you get it now? We still have a lot to do in this aspect, but I'm not using color. I like this color. Texture, I think I know the meaning of texture when we are doing our test. Opacity, if I want to reduce the opacity, is that affect shadow. Assume there is shadow here now. The opacity, we don't have shadow here now. I can reduce the opacity. Look it. Are you getting it now? So this is it. The reason I'm doing this is that if you can do something like this directly, it will help when we want to start design that I won't be explaining more. You have no, okay, this is where I place when I'm doing the design. So we are going still going to design in our next class. So this is the texture, this is opacity, color filter now, the whole, the saturation, the brightness, and the contrast. You see? So I won't do this. So stroke, I think that I told you that is the edge. Stroke with, that is how I want it. If I want it to be thick, I want it to be like this, so you can show. That's why I put in this stroke. There's not really in this stroke, but for it to show, let's put it. Now eraser. Eraser is like if I want to clean particular place from here, a particular place I want to clean it now. Eraser. Then I will click on this. If I, this eraser, I can start erasing it. When I click on OK, everything is erased now. So let me remove the stroke. Enable. So this is now. So I can just do it like this. I can just do it like this. Assuming I want to remove this part. You can try this on your own. If you want this type of Pixellab that I'm using, you can check my Telegram group. We have it there. Tech with Mujib. Are you seeing what I'm doing? We have a lot of things to do. If I can put it, I can engage this, and I don't want to put my hand there. Are you getting it? So let it like this. So I will remove it now. This is erase color. If I want to remove a particular color now, for example, I want to remove the white color. If I click on this and I select the color I want to remove, I just want to remove the white there. This is it. If I click on pick color and tolerance, guys, just go to it and rotate. I want to rotate it. I don't want to. You have explained before 3D shape, perspective, and bows. I think I've explained all this before, so you don't need to waste our time. I don't need to waste time on this. So that is it on sticker. If you want to add sticker, you can screenshot it. You are still learning. You are still learning. Hey, my phone is in dark mode. Okay. So that is that on sticker. Let me delete this. So import, if you want to import image, so let's stop on sticker. The import image will be in another version of video, so it will not be long and people will understand what you are doing. Thank you for listening and thank you for joining this class. Take with me. Kindly subscribe and like. Thank you.